I can remember from that table here in black and pink, right? And I can see some of the faces that I've already seen maybe more than a year ago. We have met somewhere. I still remember. So again, I would like to say very good morning all of you. It's a great honor, pleasure and privilege to be here today at St. Francis campus. We will be talking about a very important topic that is very close to our hearts. That is our profession, that is everything, that is who we are, that is reflecting us. It's about classroom management. So when you are teaching the same topic to the new group of students, what happens to you that time? It becomes easy for you, isn't it? And when you have students who have already attended the training or maybe already have completed that chapter or the topic that you have already taught, it becomes challenging for the teacher. Because you can't just repeat whatever you have taught earlier, isn't it? You are not tape recorders, recorded session, isn't it? So, together. 1, 2, 3. Let's have some fun, okay? Don't exchange the planes with each other. They should fly from one table to another. Yes? Yes? Carry on. See with how much force you are trying to fly your planes, they're not able to reach the neighboring table also. Look at this. Yes? Yeah? Okay, you have not flown it yet. You have got yours. This belongs to you. Please exchange it. Send it to somebody else. Yes? Okay. I guess by now you must have received one plane. Everybody has got it? No? You've not got any? It means somebody has not done the classwork. Some of the students, they must not have written. Okay, find it out from here and there. Got it? Everybody got it? Okay. Now, part 2. Part 2. Now read what all challenges have been written on it. Read the challenges. See, don't tell me that the handwriting is like that and you're not able to read it. Huh? You all are very much experienced because you all are correcting a pile of notebooks, okay, every day. So you are familiar with different kinds of handwritings. Be it print, be it cursive, be it legible or it's illegible, whatever it is, isn't it? Have you read? Okay. Now, one by one.
These are not good kids. आपके क्लास में बच्चे कैसे आवाज बनाते हैं कॉरिडोर्स में? 1, 2. Very sound, right? Wait. This side, you move this side, they will move that side. 3. Only 3. 3. 2. 4. Come to your place. 4.
Come to your place.
So I hope you have some energy to.
这个世界让山上，哦让山上，哦让山上，让山上，哦让山上，哦让山上，让山上。Arms up high.
Yes, yes, yes.
You correct. As a question,
We are not going to test that how large it is. Just blow it off. Blow it and then write your name. Blow it and write your name on it. We are not going to test how big it is. Okay? Write your name. And use sketch pen here, otherwise, don't just pinch it. Yes. Very good. Now what you need to do is start moving in this place. Move from one place to another with the balloon in your hand. Yes. 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 Now drop the balloon. Drop the balloon. Fly the balloon. Leave it. Find your balloon. Find your balloon. Find your balloon. Okay. And now try to save your balloon from each other. And you need to burst the balloon of others. Try to save your balloon. Let me see who saves it. Who is the winner? Yes? Yes? Try to save it. Okay. Yes? Yes? Try to save your balloon. I know who is the winner. Okay. This side. Yes. Come on. Be after them also. Yes. Here they have hidden.
Game over.
Yes. Okay. Yes, who's left now? We spent 2 days together. I have also learned so many things from you. Maybe you must have also learned a bit from us as well. If you can implement that, we will be very happy, we will be grateful to you. We all have to inculcate such kinds of values in our students. The students, they have changed, the society has changed, the environment has changed. What has not changed is our classmates. Let's change them as well. If you just have a glimpse of this, the last one slide I would like to show you. What do I do? I am a high stress teacher. I'm a high school teacher. The teacher, please be high school teachers. Don't be high stress teachers. Don't take stress on you. Be joyful. Find some alternate ways of teaching. If you will hurt anybody, that hurts you also somewhere. You also don't feel good. Isn't it? When you scold anybody, when you punish anyone, that will not give happiness to you. You also get hurt. Let's find an alternative. See your children there, your children, they are there in amongst all those children. Let's give them the wings so that they can fly. Somebody has said, again I will use a few words in Hindi and will translate for the English ladies and gentlemen sitting over here. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. We will get our destination. Our destination is waiting for us. We all have got wings. Everybody has. But we don't have courage to fly. That courage, that confidence, we need to provide to our students. Are we all ready to do this? A big yes makes a no